You want to delete lots of blank rows from a spreadsheet? Well, I've got you with this one. So you've got a spreadsheet here with lots of rows here, but you've got blank rows in between. Normally what you would do, highlight each row, right click, delete. But this method is really quick and easy and it will save you a lot of time. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and G like this. Go to this special button here on the Go To pop-up. Click on blanks here, click on OK, and then it will highlight all the blank rows. And what you need to do is click on Ctrl and minus together, and then it will come up with this pop-up here. Choose Shift Cells Up. From here, click OK, and there you have it. All the blank rows have gone. You're left with the data you need. Thank you. Bye-bye.